Welcome to Instant Data Services. Today, we'll demonstrate how our KYC MF form-filling auto-typer software automates the entire form-filling process with speed and accuracy. Follow this step-by-step tutorial to learn how to set up the software and complete KYC MF forms automatically using Excel data. First, open the image files provided by the company. These images contain the data that needs to be entered into the KYC MF forms. The images are converted into Excel files because the form-filling software only accepts Excel's formats. These are the Excel files converted from the images. Now launch the KYC MF form-filling auto-typer software. This is the main interface where you'll load your data and start the automation. Open the KYC MF form. Place the auto-typer software on the KYC MF form for easy access. Select the pattern and upload Excel file. Now click the Begin button. When the countdown starts, place your cursor in the first field of the KYC MF form before the countdown ends. The software will automatically fill the entire form using the Excel data without any manual typing. The KYC MF form-filling auto-typer software helps save time, improve accuracy, and eliminate repetitive manual data entry. It provides fast, reliable, and efficient form filling, making it an excellent solution for KYC mutual fund data entry work.